Ready to turn your packaging ideas into reality? Start with custom sampling. When you're looking for a more holding supplier, here have 5 reasons to tell you. 1. Complete industry chain factory. 2. Professional design team, wet press experts. 3. Self-built mold room. 4. Fully automatic production line for large orders. 5. Machines ensure consistency. 100% human quality inspection. Why choose Rita? The reason 1. Accurate understanding and professional communication. The second reason, quick coordination from quotation to delivery. The last reason, after sales team visiting US, Australia, Europe, we solve problems face to face. Choosing Lvxin Packaging means choosing reliability and expertise. I am Rita from Lvxin Packaging. Click the button below to contact our international team and get your free custom sampling solution.